In this video, you will see how to make header black in Word document like this. It's very easy. First, you need to activate the header area, and to do that, just double click inside the header area. And now you will be able to edit the header. To make it black colored, you need to go to the Insert tab, then Shape and select rectangle or a square, and draw a rectangle in the header area that exactly matches with the page size. Now you will need to change the color of this shape. To do that, right click on it, go to the format shape option. Under the field, select the option solid fill and select the color black and the line color also black. Now as you can see, we have a black header background, and now you will just need to double click inside the Word document. Now when you go to the next page, you can see that the next page also has a dark header that we inserted on the first page. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to header in Word document. See you again in the next one.